How to hide your post from someone on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. After that, tap on your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Then tap on three dot lines or three lines over here at the top right corner. Now scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of limit interactions over here. So just tap on that. So it's right now it's toggled off, but when you turn on these limit interactions, then you'll be able to hide a post from the people on Instagram. So if you want to turn on, it generally means that you feel like you're being harassed, or you can temporarily limit the unwanted comments and messages. So they'll be hidden unless you approve them. So just tap on turn on and you're done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.